What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be getting the shop cleaned up, and we got some new shelves for it and nice shelves. We're going to get this thing cleaned up so we can get more builds in here. Alright guys, so we got a big mess everywhere, but the shelves are definitely making the shop look a lot better. We got that one put up. We still got one more we're going to put up on the other side of that one. Then we could go ahead and start piling everything up on it. Alright guys, so I went ahead, put up that last shelf, and it's already looking 100 times better. But I got a big mess on my hands, and it's already laid outside. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get the rest of this stuff put up on the shelves and call it a day. Alright guys, so we mostly got the shop cleaned up and still got a lot more to do, but it's really late outside, so I'm gonna catch you guys back tomorrow in the morning. So it is the next day here and we got most of it cleaned up. Just a little more to go and got all the bikes over there. Still got to get everything from this corner put on those shelves and everything from this pile right here also put over there. So let's go ahead and get that done. This side is looking way better now, guys. Got it all cleaned up, swept up. The shelves are all organized, but we still got a big mess going on in this corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up and get it on those shelves. Alright guys, so we are getting a lot cleaned out. But we still have this pile of boxes that we don't need, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of those. And then hopefully get this corner cleaned out so we can park the car back here or something. All the boxes loaded up on a pallet. Let's go ahead and just get them thrown out of here. Well, so we still have this whole corner to clean up, and I want to go ahead and move that car back there. We'll talk about that car later, but let's go ahead and get this area cleaned up and put on the other shelves, and then go ahead and get that car pushed back there. So we got that whole corner all cleaned up, but here's the car. I'm gonna go ahead and push it back there. It's a Mustang GT. It's definitely smashed and rolled. Definitely not worth fixing, but it's got some goodies. Has some nice wheels. Got some KW Club Sports and it's Pro Charged. This car is making close to 1,000 horsepower on E85. So let me know what y'all think I should do with it in the comments. But let's go ahead and get it pushed in the back. that Mustang's pushed in the back and the shop's looking a lot better now. But I still got all these dirt bikes. I'm gonna go ahead and just park them all right in front of this Mustang and then sweep the shop, and that's gonna be it. So we got the whole shop cleaned up and it's looking a lot better. We got this nice pallet racking put up and got all the parts stored up on them, and it's definitely made us have a lot more room to buy other stuff. So hopefully we can bring in some more nice future builds in here, and that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and don't miss out on the next video.